Big screen entertainment usually comes with big compromises. Either you need a huge room, complicated installation, or constant maintenance. The Optoma GT2000HDR changes that equation by delivering a powerful cinematic experience in a compact and practical design built for modern spaces. This projector is designed around short throw technology, which means it can sit just a few feet from the wall and still produce a massive image. In smaller living rooms, apartments, dorm setups, or bedrooms, that makes a huge difference. You are no longer forced to mount a projector across the room or run long cables through your ceiling. Place it close to the wall, adjust the image, and instantly transform your space into a home theater. At the core of the GT2000HDR is its laser light source. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors that lose brightness over time and require bulb replacements, laser technology offers long-term consistency and reliability. With up to 20,000 hours of usage, this projector is built for years of daily entertainment. That means movie nights, gaming sessions, sports streaming, and binge watching without worrying about maintenance costs. The image quality delivers exactly what most home users are looking for. Full HD resolution keeps visuals sharp and detailed, whether you are watching high-action films or playing visually intense games. HDR compatibility enhances contrast, bringing out more detail in bright highlights and deeper tones in shadows. The result feels dynamic and immersive without looking artificial. Brightness performance is another key advantage. It's strong enough to handle rooms with moderate ambient light, making it more flexible than many entry-level projectors. You don't need a completely dark room to enjoy a vibrant image. Colors remain rich and punchy, while whites appear clean and balanced. Gaming on a projector can sometimes feel sluggish if input lag is high. That's not the case here. The GT2000HDR is optimized for responsive gameplay, making it a strong option for console players and casual competitive gaming. Connecting a PlayStation, Xbox, or gaming PC creates a wall-sized display that pulls you deeper into the action. The sense of scale alone completely changes how games feel. Setup is straightforward and user-friendly. Keystone correction helps square the image even if placement isn't perfectly centered. Focus adjustments are simple and precise. The projector is designed to work with real-world environments, not just perfectly measured home theaters. Connectivity options are practical and versatile. HDMI ports allow easy connection to streaming sticks, consoles, Blu-ray players, and laptops. USB support adds flexibility for media playback. It integrates easily into existing entertainment systems without complicated configurations. The compact build is one of its strongest selling points. It doesn't dominate your media console or demand permanent installation. Its clean, modern appearance fits well into contemporary interiors. You can move it between rooms when needed, making it more versatile than traditional long-throw models. Another underrated benefit is reduced shadow interference. Because it sits close to the wall, you don't have people walking through the projection beam. That makes it ideal for family spaces where movement is constant. Noise levels are controlled and unobtrusive. During quiet scenes or dialogue-heavy moments, the projector stays discreet in the background. It enhances the experience rather than interrupting it. Overall, what stands out is balance. This projector combines laser durability, short throw convenience, HDR support, solid brightness, and gaming responsiveness into one streamlined solution. It doesn't overcomplicate things with unnecessary extras. Instead, it focuses on delivering a dependable, immersive viewing experience in everyday environments. For anyone looking to upgrade from a standard TV or aging projector, this model offers a clear step forward. It delivers big screen impact without big room requirements. It's built for modern lifestyles where flexibility and performance matter equally. If you want to buy the Optoma GT2000HDR Ultra Compact Short Throw Full HD Home Laser Projector, check the link provided in the description and bring home a powerful, space-saving cinematic experience today.